What's going on, YouTube family and friends? Welcome back to the channel, and what we came to discuss here in today's video is no other than PLTR. As you all know, this is my favorite stock here in the market, and I do feel as though that this thing is on a turnaround, more so headed back towards those $125 levels. Stick around, we're going to talk about it, but before we do so, and don't forget I will be going live here Monday 8:15 a.m. Central Time, which is just 15 minutes before the market open, where I will be giving you guys in real time alerts, as well as giving you my thoughts and insights on the tickers that you drop in the live chat. So see you guys then. Now, if you're currently holding Palantir, can you do me one huge favor and comment the ticker symbol in the comment section below? I just want to take a quick poll and see how many current viewers is currently holding the stock. Now, as you all know, this thing did see a major drop from that high of $125, drastic drop from that earnings rally that we did receive here, ladies and gentlemen. Ultimately, we did see a gain of 51%, but if we take things over here, as you guys can see, that total drop has seen over 38% in retracement. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I do feel as though that we did bottom out here mid-March, and I do feel as though that we are on the turnaround. Now, as you guys can see here, that mid-Bollinger Band cross is very bullish. It's more than likely that we're going to test these $92 levels here early off in the pre-market trading. Now, if market conditions calls for it, ladies and gentlemen, if we do see a upbeat market here on Monday, I do feel as though that Palantir stands a very great chance to test those $96 levels. Now, this is all short-term thinking, of course, but on the midterm side of things, I do feel as though that this thing is headed back towards those $125 levels for many reasons. I do see that we are headed back in towards a reconstruction season for these government contracts that Palantir currently holds. Now, a lot of people have been concerned with the announcements of the government actually taking a drawback on their budget as far as the defense go, but they're not technically going to affect Palantir. In fact, ladies and gentlemen, it actually is going to benefit Palantir and open up a lot of revenue for them to capture. And the reason being is because the U.S. government is switching over to a more tech-like savvy style of defense, should I say. They're investing heavy in AI. So with that being said, a lot of these old techniques and software that they're using, they're getting rid of that. A lot of their old ways, a lot of these senseless patrols that they're feeling as though that they're wasting money on, they're getting rid of that, and they are buying systems that Palantir, like they're buying software that Palantir actually provides, such as their border control software, ladies and gentlemen. Actually, that is going to be their sweet spot, if you ask me. Border control over everything, due to the fact that Donald Trump is very serious when it comes to border control, and that is one of Palantir's major financial lifelines. If we take a brief look and just check out their summary here really quickly, check out that company profile. As you guys can see, if we look at their revenue breakdown, government makes up 54% of their revenue here for the fiscal year of 2024. And if we take a brief look and just check out the commercial, that is 45%. Now, these numbers are increasing, and they're increasing a lot, ladies and gentlemen. As you guys can see here, commercial was just $1 billion here in 2023. Now it's $1.3 billion, with the government sitting right around 1.57, coming off that 1.22 billion. We're seeing the budget increase here in Palantir, but it's going to be very interesting, that budget revenue data that we get here this upcoming quarter, in the next couple of quarters. If we do see that government budget pick up here, then I feel as though that is going to let everyone know that Palantir is basically in a sweet situation here when it comes to that government pullback. But with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, far as end of the month price prediction, I do feel as though that stock stands a very great chance to actually again test those $96 levels, and depending on that price action heading into that PT, then we're more than likely going to start filling this gap here. Now, this all can take place here before the week is over with. Again, if we do see a upbeat market, but I do feel as though that Palantir is going to gradually see itself to the upside. Now, I'm going to give you guys a easy money call option to look out for here this week. Expire here 3/28, and we're looking at the $94 calls here. Currently, right now, it's at $1.84. I do feel as though that this is going to fetch a nice return here. If we take a brief look and just check out the options price calculator, if we do see this thing actually reach, let's say, $96, like I do feel as though that we're going to test here before the week is over with, one day before expiration, we will see at least 50% gain on our investment. If we do see things get a little bit brighter and we test those $98 levels, ladies and gentlemen, then that will be 140% gain. But let's say we actually here on Tuesday, well, here on Monday, let's say on Monday we actually see those $96 levels, then we're looking at 115% gain from that current price that we see here currently. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, easy money call option that you do not want to miss out on. And don't forget to consider joining our Discord server so you won't miss out on home run plays like you see here today. I alerted RGC over in our Discord server back on last Thursday, March 13th, for the entry price of $6.85. And if we take a brief look and just check out RGC's price action here really quickly, as you guys can see, the stock has ran as high in the aftermarket hours of $71.96 again from our alert entry of $6.85. And if we take a brief look and just check out that, as you guys can see here, that is over 1,000% in gain just in 7 trading days alone. And you too can get these alerts in real time. All you have to do is stop what you're doing, drop down in that description below, click that Discord link, activate that free trial, and let the gains begin. And also, guys, you will be able to partake in our challenge that we're currently having here over on the Discord. You will get the alerts in real time, so that is also a plus. So with that being said, may the gains be with you, and see you guys soon. Thanks for tuning into the channel, and if you found this video valuable, hit that like button, drop a comment, and share this on Reddit, Twitter, and StockTwits. And don't forget, join our Discord for real-time alerts so you will not miss out on the next big move.